We looked into COVID-19 related deaths in August throughout Boone County as COVID-19 continues to take many lives across the state.
ABC 17's Layla Mitchell is live in studio after digging into those numbers. Layla, the COVID-19 deaths this month are not as high as what we saw a few months ago.
Yeah, Deb, Lucas. So before we get into the numbers, I want to explain how the deaths are counted. Now, often when COVID-19 deaths are counted, there can be delays, which is why the Columbia-Boone County Health Department updates the information daily. A death can be reported in August, but could have actually happened in months earlier. For example, 21 deaths were reported in August. Of those 21 deaths, 13 of them happened in that month. 8 of them reported happened in months prior. 13 deaths is the largest numbers of deaths seen in Boone County since January, when there was 19 coronavirus deaths. In December and November, the death count was high, with 24 deaths in November and 42 deaths in December. Since the beginning of the vaccine effort, there have been only 2 vaccinated COVID-19 deaths, and since the number is so small, it is not counted monthly. The Columbia-Boone County Health Department posts updated COVID-19 information at the end of every weekday.
Includes the number of new cases that we recorded since the previous day, how many active cases there are, how many hospitalizations there are in Boone County, how many of those are Boone County residents, and if there have been any new deaths recorded since the last time that we reported.
Statewide, there have been 566 COVID-19 related deaths from August 1st to August 30th.